Good morning, fellas and lady fellas. What's up? So yeah, I think today I'm gonna go back out to the Croatan and I'm gonna look for scarlet king snakes or any kind of king snake or any snake, but the goal is to find a scarlet king snake. And I'm gonna identify some more carnivorous plant species and maybe try to find some different specimens than last time, or even some different species. I still need to find the sundew, so that'd be pretty cool. And apparently there's other species of sarracenias I could try to find as well. So we're gonna look for them. They're a little rarer and harder to find than the ones I found last time, so maybe I'll find them, maybe I won't. But hopefully I'll find a snake. I'm gonna have a little help with me this time. I'm gonna recruit my buddy Jesse, come meet me down there in the Croatan, so that'll be cool. Another eye on things. Someone help me flip over bigger logs I couldn't on my own, and guarantee you we're gonna find something. So y'all just stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I made it out here to the forest. I'm not far in it. I literally just got into it off the road, and Jesse's running a little late, so I saw these rotten logs right here, and I figured I'm gonna just kill some time and flip these over and see if I find anything. So let's flip them over and see if I find anything. Nothing there. That's there. Nope. Nope. No, sir. These look like the perfect places to check, though, because a bunch of wet, rotten logs, which is where king snakes like to dwell. I ain't finding shit. There's a skeleton of some sort. I'm assuming a cat. I don't fucking know. Check this out. A bunch of crazy cactus growing. It's a gnarly little find. Not a carnivorous plant, but it's a plant that has a fucking adaptation to protect itself. These fucking spikes on it. I'm not sure if this is native or not here to the forest or to the state, but it's growing right here in a big old patch. And it looks cool as shit. What's up? So I was flipping some logs and I came across this guy. He's the first animal I found today. I never really seen a frog this color or this type before. They're usually green or bright yellow. He's pretty dark and brown. He's got a cool little pattern to him. I think he's it's just another common tree frog, just brown, or a whistling tree frog, or a spring peeper perhaps. Let me know if you know what kind of frog this is. I'm sure it's nothing too crazy, but he's cool. It's a good little first find. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go back do his little frog thing. Ooh, yeah, he's got a pretty little design to him. Look at that. What's up? All right, so Jesse made it.
I made it.
And then we made a flip over some big old logs and we came across this guy. He's spazzing out.
Dude, it's like he fucking shat on you.
I might have ripped his tail. Oh, shit. He did a defense maneuver and he ran away.
You can't post that.
Found that little blue-tailed skink, and unfortunately, before we could really showcase his blue tail, he kind of released it and ran away. So we're out here looking for some more things. Ain't finding shit so far. But it's nice as fuck out here.
It was consensual.
Stumbled upon this crazy thing. What the fuck is this? Prehistoric and pokey. Ow.
Nice. I guess so.
We stumbled upon a huge patch of yellow pitcher plants, or Sarracenia flava. Flava, but I like to say it with a little flavor. Some of these plants got bugs in them.
Yeah. Big beetle.
Oh, damn, look at that shit. That's gonna give that plant a bunch of fuel. He's gonna grow big and strong. Beautiful. That's where the snake would be, up under all that. I ain't finding shit though. Nope.
Recording?
Yeah. Alright, so we found all sorts of flippables now. Let's give this a try. We flipped a ton of logs and ain't found shit, so. Check out this guy. He ain't a snake, but
Slithering.
he's slithering. He's a creepy crawly. We didn't want to touch him because he's pointy and colorful, and usually that means poisonous, but I mean, I'm sure he's not poisonous. He probably just evolved into some cute ass butterfly.
Yeah, let's see.
Let it bite you, man. That thing's cool. Look at it. He's proud. The proud ass caterpillar. Dope. Jesse found a couple of blue-tailed skinks here in this log. I'm gonna try and sneak up on them before they run away. They don't see me because he's underneath that fucking wood. Well, that's a big one. Beautiful. I got him.
Easy.
He's like, what the hell's going on? Look at his beautiful blue tail. That shit is awesome. Oh.
Don't let it go.
Yeah, he'll slender down to it and then he'll rip it off. Dang, he's a big fella. This is a good find right here. This is a Carolina or Eastern blue tail skink, common around here. But they're usually pretty hard to catch, so the fact we snuck up on him while he was resting in some bark. Nice. We got him calmed down. What's up, buddy? We just want to check you out. Can you get a picture of him?
Found a mantis.
I don't know how he found this little guy, but spotted him right out of the grass.
See if we'll do some karate.
He did.
Hey, you want to hold him?
Nah.
You don't want to do a freestyle?
Mantis freestyle. I don't know the scientific name for these motherfuckers. And I don't got no rhymes for them either. Green mean, don't want to dance with this. I'm a goddamn praying mantis. We stumbled upon a huge patch of purple pitchers, yellow pitchers, and Venus flytraps galore. You can tell the Venus flytraps because of these white flowers. Everywhere there's these little white flowers, those are Venus flytraps. But they're down low. There's one down there. They stay low to the ground. So these pitcher plants, they're a little more up in the air.
Good purple one.
And the purple ones, they like to stay on the ground. Tucked away like that. Got that thing's beautiful. We stumbled across a whole nother species of pitcher plants, Sarracenia minor. These are the hooded pitcher plants. If you notice, they've got little, they're just kind of like little hoods. Very cool. They're a little more uncommon than the yellows and the purples we've been finding, so it was a pretty cool find. They're growing like weeds right here. Very cool. They're little smaller tubes. Damn right. Nature. Little Venus flytraps. I just want to check them. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. That's nuts. They clamp shut. That's gotta be bear shit.